Hello you guys, welcome back to another video where today I just wanted to let you know that I finally fixed my sound rape. For some reason Stack the States made a loud noise that interrupted my videos where you couldn't hear me for a second. And today we'll be doing another state. Welcome back to the state war where we left off. This tough floor does not happen. It's Florida. I'm lucky I'm not in this stupid war. Yeah, you're lucky you're not in the war of chance. What? Did you say, Mississippi? I said nothing with my cute little voice. Oh gosh, no. Oh gosh, no. What, Alabama? You're going to invade me. Heck yeah, I will. Hey, George, why'd you just do that? Because it was for our own good. How was it for their own good? We're all having a state war. You know what, guys? This video is going to be boring. What video? I mean, I guess a guy that we don't know is recording us. How do you know, Kentucky? I just know that it has to be someone recording us. Chicago citizens are getting angry, y'all. So what, Illinois? It sucks for them anyway. Yeah, it really does. Guys, can we just stop? Are you serious? Are you serious? No, 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 are you serious? Just shut up. Guys, there's nothing to worry about. Texas, just all shut up. Okay, I've already invaded 2 states. You mean 2 states? I didn't want to invade you, Louisiana. Invade me too. Why are you barely invading me? Because I don't want to invade you. Whoa, I'm not even fully conducted yet. I'm starting to get conducted now, Texas. Yep. Texas, you need to stop invading other states. Do you understand? They're living too, you know. Yeah, well, I don't care. Hey, that was pretty rude, Massachusetts. What, is it because I invaded Rhode Island? Yeah, it is actually. Guys, New York citizens from the New York City are getting really angry at y'all too. Well, it's not our fault that these... Really? You don't gotta yell at me, Mom. Okay. Patriots. That is an NFL team. Yeah, it is an NFL team. Why do you think red states? You're not even a real red state. Oh, shut up. You shut up. Do I have to get entertained in this war? These are very cities that want you to shut up. But no one cares about those cities. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. you guys just stop. Well, this episode's gonna have to go to end. So leave a like, subscribe, and click that bell. And click that bell. We are not trying you to get subscribed. We're not forcing you to subscribe. Warning, warning. That bell button will notify you when we make a new video. And it means the world to me when you subscribe. Yeah, because we only have one subscriber. So, thank you, States, for saying all that nice stuff. And we're not trying to force you to subscribe. So just leave a like. It means the world to me. Goodbye.